How to buy multiple investment properties. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. Today we're gonna talk about again one of my favorite topics, which is how do you buy multiple investment properties? Because if you can do it once, and that benefits you, why not 10 times? And if you like 10, why not 100, and I like 100, so I like a 500. Listen, if buying one property tastes good and produces good cash flow, increases your net worth and works towards a greater retirement, then, why not 2 times, or why not 5 times, or why not 10 times? But if you do that, you're gonna make sure that you got the secrets to qualify to as many properties you get. So I wanna go through 3 different strategies. The first strategy is doing careful management of your DTI, or debt to income ratio. This is really important because when you think about your debt to income ratio, normally if you buy something on credit, it's going towed to your DTI and the bank's gonna say, oh Chris, you now qualify for less. So they like to see assets, they don't like to see debts. Well, when you buy your first investment property, here's one of my secrets. If I buy it using my very strict formula, I maximize cash flow. Here's how I maximize my debt to income ratio. If I have, let's say, a house that has a mortgage of $600 a month, and it rents for $1,000, I can show that rental contract to the bank and they're gonna count 70% in general of the rental income. So, for example, 70% of $1,000 is $700. What's my mortgage payment? $600. So, there's a delta or difference of $100. You're actually $100 more well off. We not only cancel the negative debt to income ratio, but you actually qualify for even more houses. Well, guess what? You buy a house with a lousy cash flow, this strategy does not work. And you won't be buying very many houses. And if you're not buying successful in first place, it's not really gonna matter. Strategy number 2. When it comes to qualifying for as many of these properties as you can, is having partners. This is an excellent strategy when it comes to whether or not you can actually qualify for a home. If you cannot qualify for a home, then a partner's way to go. Because, guess what, they got the job, they got the income that they qualify. So, they're a really great way. With really limitless boundary, to continue buying real estate. In fact, once I had purchased my first 4 homes, I got to a point where I didn't have the money. I have the credit but not the money to buy my next house. I brought a partner in, I started bringing more partners. Well, doesn't matter what the bank says to me, it doesn't matter if they tell me you can't qualify. You're not good enough on paper. Listen, nothing's gonna keep me from buying real estate, especially if I'm doing it with a system and a strategy and it's working. So, that's a good one. The third and final strategy I wanna share with you today is making sure buy right. What do I mean by that? I already talked about buying with cash flow. But let's talk about equity. Why is that important? If I buy something below market, let's say I buy 3 houses below market. Well, guess what, I wait a couple of years, I get a good cash flow of them. If I bought them correctly, I can consolidate those 3 homes and buy 6. Why? Because if I buy each one, well, let's say $40,000 equity possession. If I were to sell those 3, I get all my down payment back plus my $120,000 gain. I can do little bonus here, 10 to 31 tax exchange. That's an IRS code that basically means that I can defer the taxes. And I can roll that money into a bunch more homes. So, if you buy right with the right equity in addition to cash flow, that's also in time gonna help you qualify for more real estate. Go buy real estate. In fact, go buy as many as you can. Use this system, use these strategies. Multiply that portfolio. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.